The U.S. Air Force is pushing forward with an extensive modernization program for the F-22 Raptor to ensure it remains a dominant air superiority platform well into the 2030s. The latest developments include the integration of advanced infrared sensors, electronic warfare upgrades, and range-extending technologies. These upgrades are part of a broader initiative outlined in the Air Force's fiscal year 2026 budget, which allocates over $90 million specifically for what's called viability enhancements to keep the F-22 combat relevant in a rapidly evolving threat environment. The most significant new addition is the Infrared Defensive System, IRDS, which leverages distributed infrared sensors to provide 360-degree missile launch detection. These sensors are based on Lockheed Martin's TAC-IRST technology, already tested in other airframes. Unlike older missile warning systems, IRDS is expected to improve detection range and accuracy against long-range air-to-air and surface-to-air missile threats. A formal production decision is scheduled for late FY 2026, with flight testing ongoing. Separate from IRDS, the Air Force is also fielding podded infrared search and track (IRST) systems. These allow the F-22 to detect and track enemy aircraft passively, without emitting signals that could give away its position. The Air Force has already ordered 30 of these pods and expects to begin receiving them by mid-FY 2028. These IRST capabilities will complement the IRDS, and both systems may be networked in the future to allow triangulation of targets across multiple aircraft, providing more precise targeting without radar. In addition to sensors, the F-22 is receiving stealth-preserving, low-drag external fuel tanks. These tanks will extend the aircraft's range while maintaining its low observable profile. Initial flight testing of these tanks is ongoing, with qualification expected by FY 2026. The Raptor is also getting upgrades to its mission computers and software through open systems architecture. This will make future integration of advanced sensors, weapons, and countermeasures faster and more cost-effective. A key part of this includes updates to its radar and electronic warfare suite, ensuring the F-22 can operate in contested electromagnetic environments. Pilots are getting new gear as well. The Air Force is equipping F-22 squadrons with helmet-mounted displays, specifically the Thales Scorpion system. This capability allows pilots to cue weapons like the AIM-9X missile simply by looking at a target, something the jet previously lacked despite having the missile itself. There's also a parallel development of a next-generation fixed-wing helmet to further improve pilot situational awareness and comfort. Raytheon recently secured a $1 billion contract to upgrade multiple sensor systems on the F-22, which likely includes improvements to the radar and infrared detection. These enhancements aim to preserve the Raptor's first-shot advantage in future air battles. Work is also being done to improve the F-119 engines used in the Raptor. Software upgrades are expected to boost performance, reliability, and fuel efficiency starting in 2025. These changes are vital given the platform's high operational tempo and maintenance demands. Although the Air Force has previously planned to eventually retire the F-22 in favor of a sixth-generation platform under the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, delays and strategic reassessments have shifted that timeline. The Raptor is now expected to remain in service into the mid-2030s, or longer, serving as the primary manned air superiority fighter until a viable NGAD replacement is ready. This modernization effort is focused entirely on ensuring U.S. air dominance in great power. Competition scenarios. The F-22 remains a core element of the U.S. strategic air combat capability, and these upgrades are designed to keep it ahead of the threat curve. The aircraft's low observability, supercruise, and high agility, combined with new sensors, weapons, and range-extending technologies, are expected to maintain its operational edge well into the future.